One press and your iPhone does everything. Hey, let's unlock the new action button on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone with iOS 26 and see how you can use it make your everyday life faster and easier. So first you have to open up your settings, then go to the option action button, and here you will see all the animation previews showing what each action can do. Now let's go through them one by one. First, the silent mode. This is the classic one. Set it if you want to quickly silence your phone during meetings or important moments. No need to search for the mute option, just press and hold the action button and your iPhone will instantly go silent. Next, you will see focus mode, and from here you can choose to turn on do not disturb mode or personal, work, or your custom focus mode. It is a great way to stop distraction and get all important notifications when you need to focus. This one's for photo lover. You can set the button to open the camera and even choose specific mode like photo, selfie, video, portrait, or portrait selfie. It's perfect for capturing quick moments. Just press and you are ready to shoot. And then you can also set your action button for flashlight or voice memos. These are great for quick access whether you need light in the dark or you want to record something instantly when you are in a class or a meeting. And now this is one of the coolest action, that is recognize music. Whenever you hear a song and want to know what it is, press the action button and it will automatically recognize the song and show you its name and artist, so no app needed. And next action mode is translate. This is super handy when you are traveling. Set the action button to translate and you can instantly translate conversation into your selected language. See, this is really amazing. You can easily change the language from the translate app and it will help you understand and speak in real time. And then if you often need to zoom in a small text or object, set the magnifier. It turns your iPhone camera into a zoom tool, perfect for reading small prints or seeing teeny details clearly. Now this control action. This section gives you quick shortcut to many useful tools like calculator, alarm, timer, dark mode, scan, and some quick feature. Just pick the ones you use most. It will make your phone faster and more efficient. Next, the shortcut action. Here you can choose any shortcut you have already created in the Shortcuts app. For example, you can make a GIF instantly or trigger any automation you have built. So if you want to learn how to make a GIF shortcut, check out our latest video in the description. And now this accessibility, and this lets you assign helpful accessibility feature like assistive touch, back tap, or more. And the last one for if you don't want to assign anything, you can simply select no action. But wait, here's something amazing for you, the new visual intelligence feature. If your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence, first turn it on from settings, then Apple Intelligence and Siri, and make sure it's enabled. Then go back to your action button and you will find this visual intelligence. Now whenever you press your action button, your camera opens to analyze what's in front of you. Just capture it and use the ask or search buttons to identify objects or get related info. This is actually super useful for learning about things around you in real life. Isn't it really useful for you? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.